Medical Destiny uploads educational and informational videos related to health and medical topics. If you would like to get such kinds of videos, kindly subscribe our channel.
Stretch marks, also called striae, happen when your skin changes shape rapidly due to growth or weight gain. They aren't a sign that anything is wrong with your health. Both men and women can get stretch marks. Pregnancy and puberty are the two most common times in life to get stretch marks. At first, a stretch mark will appear as a thin red or purple line on your skin that takes on a different texture than the surrounding skin layer. Eventually, most stretch marks fade and take on a lighter or almost translucent coloring, and become shiny. Getting rid of stretch marks in a completely natural way isn't likely. They're a type of scarring that rarely fades enough to become invisible. However, there are some remedies that can help minimize the appearance of stretch marks and help them to fade more quickly. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is referred to as a retinoid. Retinoids make skin appear smoother and more youthful. They're used in many over-the-counter topical cosmetic creams. Simply using a topical extract of vitamin A, or taking vitamin A orally, can contribute to your skin's health and overall appearance. A diet rich in certain foods, such as carrots and sweet potatoes, might also help you increase your vitamin A levels. Researchers identified retinoids as helping the appearance of stretch marks. 2. Sugar. Rubbing a sugar scrub on the skin will exfoliate the area. Mix 1 cup sugar with 1/4 cup of a softening agent, like almond oil or coconut oil, before mixing to the consistency of wet beach sand. Add some lemon juice. Scrub the mixture on the part of your body where the stretch marks are. Repeat several times a week while in the shower, making sure to rub the mixture on for 8 to 10 minutes. 3. Aloe vera. While little clinical evidence exists for aloe vera as a stretch mark cure, pure aloe vera is both a natural healing agent and a skin softener. This makes it an ideal home remedy to try for stretch marks. Apply pure aloe vera from a plant to your stretch marks daily after your shower. 4. Coconut oil. Since stretch marks are scarring from skin damage, coconut oil might help heal the appearance quickly. Coconut oil has been studied for its healing properties and was found in rats to reduce the time it takes for skin wounds to heal. Applying virgin coconut oil to your stretch marks each day might take away some of their red appearance. Unless you're allergic to coconuts, this oil is considered safe. Other treatments. Laser therapy, needling, and microdermabrasion are 3 clinical treatments for stretch marks. Microdermabrasion involves exfoliating the skin in a way that at-home remedies cannot. Research has shown that microdermabrasion improved the appearance of stretch marks. Needling, which is a relatively new treatment in which collagen is injected underneath the top layer of your skin, may also be effective. Most of these treatments aren't typically covered by insurance, and they can be costly. Only a dermatologist can tell you whether you're a candidate for these procedures. The best treatment for stretch marks appears to be prevention. By keeping your skin hydrated, you can help keep the elastin that your skin needs to keep from scarring. Even without treatment, almost all stretch marks will fade over time. Rarely will stretch marks stay as prominent as when they initially appear.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you would like to watch similar videos in future, please subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon.